Assalamu alaikum. I am Sana Shehbaz from University of Management and Technology. Today I am representing the topic of Delrin. Delrin contents high mechanical strength, low friction and very resistant, chemical resistant, dimension stability, wide temperature and good electrical insulation, mechanability, uses of Delrin, benefits of Delrin, differentiate between Delrin and Acetyl, high surface finishing for Delrin, drawbacks of Delrin, flammability, weather resistance, creep resistance, thermal property and electrical property. What is Delrin? Delrin is a brand name for a type of acetyl which is high performance engineering thermoplastic. It is also known by a genetic name polyoxymethylene. Delrin is widely used in various industries including automotive, electronics and industrial applications. Properties of Delrin: high mechanical strength. The high mechanical strength of Delrin, a type of acetyl, is one of its standout characteristics that contribute to its widespread use in durable material. Polymer structure: Delrin is a polymer with a repeating chain structure composed of acetyl linkage derived from formaldehyde. Covalent bond. The acetyl linkage in Delrin involves strong covalent between carbon and oxygen atoms. These bonds contribute to easily breakage under stress. Impact resistant. While being rigid and strong, Delrin also displays good important resistance. The temperature resistant. Delrin maintains its mechanical strength over a wide temperature and thermal conditions. Low friction and wear resistant. Delrin also a polyoxymethylene, the high performance in thermoplastic, widely recognized for excellent combination of low friction and wear resistant properties. Low friction. Delrin exhibits a low coefficient of friction, which is measure of resistance to motion of one material relative to another. Dimension property. Delrin maintains a dimension stability over a wide range of temperature. This property ensures that components made from Delrin retain their shape and size. Chemical resistance. Delrin is resistant to a variety of chemicals which add to its durability, stability for diverse and industrial application. Chemical resistant. Delrin, also known as polyoxymethylene. In summary, Delrin low friction and excellent water resistance made it preferred choice for application that demand and durable performance. Chemical resistant. Delrin, also known as polyoxymethylene, is a high performance engineering thermoplastic known for its excellent mechanical properties and chemical resistance. However, it is important to note that Delrin may not be resistant to certain harsh chemicals and degradation and any reduction in mechanical property. Dimension stability. Delrin, also known as polyoxymethylene, is a high performance engineering thermoplastic known for its excellent. When considering the chemical resistance of Delrin for a specific application, it is critical to assess the compatibility with the intended application and operating condition. Dimension stability. Delrin, also known as polyoxymethylene, is a high-performance engineering thermoplastic known for its excellent mechanical properties and chemical resistance. However, it is important to note that Delrin may not be resistant to certain harsh chemicals such as strong acid base and some other engineering plastic. Wide temperature range. Delrin, also known as polyoxymethylene, is a wide temperature range, making it versatile engineering plastic. It maintains mechanical power across temperature minus 40 degree Celsius to 120 degree Celsius, minus 40 degree Fahrenheit to 248 degree Fahrenheit. The expansion thermal stability allowed Delrin to withstand both low and high temperature environment. Good electrical insulation. Delrin, also known as the polyoxymethylene, has good electrical insulation property to silver keyboards. Moisturizer resistant. Delrin has low moisture absorption, contributed to its stability. It various environment. Thermal stability. The wide temperature in which Delrin maintains mechanical property also contribute to effectiveness as an electrical insulator. In summary, Delrin contains a combination of the high dielectrical strength, low electrical constant and good electrical insulation. Mechanability. Delrin polyoxymethylene is well known for its excellent mechanability, making preferred material for engineering. About the mechanability of Delrin: low friction and wear resistance. Delrin has low friction characteristics. They contributed to reduce tool wear during machining. Chip formation. Delrin produces small, easily manageable chips during machining, contributed to cleaner and more mechanability of the material. Tool selection. Delrin can be machined using standing metal working tools. Carbide or high speed steel tools are commonly employed and can be justified for optical results. Delrin Composition. Delrin is a brand name for a type of acetyl which is high performance engineering thermoplastic. The generic name for Delrin is belong to the class of polymer known as polyacetyl. Here are some several key points about Delrin composition. Monomer. The monomer used in the production of the Delrin formaldehyde. The molecule for the molecule formula for Delrin C3H6O and represent the number of repeating unit in the polymer chain. Properties. Low friction. It has low friction and excellent wear resistance, making it suitable for Delrin such as jeans and bearing. Dimension stability. It has a good dimension stable and low moisture absorption. Processing. Delrin is typically processed using injection molding or extrusion method. Automotive component. Delrin is used in various automotive components including fuel system, door handle and seal components. Uses of Delrin. Delrin is a brand name for a type of acetyl high performance engineering thermoplastic. It is known for excellent combination of mechanical property and uses of Delrin. Automotive component. Delrin is used in automotive industry for various components such as fuel system components. Electrical insulator. The electrical insulating properties of Delrin made it usable for manufacturing component in electronic components. Consumer fault. Delrin is utilized in the production of the consumer goods such as zipper, faucet and various mechanical part in appliances. Modeling and prototyping. Delrin capability and dimension stability make it suitable for modeling and prototyping in engineering and design. Benefits of Delrin. Delrin is a brand name for a type of acetyl resin which is high performance engineering thermoplastic. Mechanical stand. Delrin assembly high textile stand providing structural integrity to components. Dimension stability. Delrin and excellent dimension stability maintain its shape and size under temperature and humidity condition. Water resistant. It has low water absorption, maintaining a property even when exposed to moisturizer. Semblance of Delrin. Delrin is a brand name for a type of acetyl resin. Is a high performance engineering thermoplastic. Chemical composition. Delrin is a polymer belong to the polyoxymethylene class. Properties. Chemical resistant, low friction. Delrin is the resistance to a wide range of temperature includes solvent and many other industrial chemical application. Delrin is commonly used in the manufacture of the parts such as other mechanical component. The material is favored in the manufacture of the plastic due to durability and low friction. Color. Delrin is available in various colors including natural, white, black and other customer color. And differentiate between Delrin and acetyl. Delrin and acetyl are terms often used interchangeably, but there is suitable difference between the two. Acetyl is a generic name for a family of thermoplastic with similar property. Here some key point to consider. Property. Both acetyl copolymer and Delrin acetyl homopolymer share similar characteristics including high strength and good wear resistant. Color. Acetyl copolymer typically available in more extensive range of the color compared to Delrin, which is usually white or natural in color. Material property of Delrin. Delrin is a brand name for a type of acetyl which is high performance engineering thermoplastic. Generic name for Delrin is polyoxymethylene. Here are some key material property of Delrin. Low friction. Delrin has low coefficient of friction, making an excellent choice for application requiring smooth low wear surface such as jeans and bearing. Mechanability is easily machinable, allowing for and complex part to manufacture with ease. FDA approval. Some grade of Delrin are approved by FDA for use in food content application. Right surface finishing for surface. Delrin can be finished using various techniques to achieve the desired surface quality. Bed blasting. The bed blasting with fine particle can give Delrin a uniform matte finish. Ultrasonic welding. In some cases where Delrin parts need to be joined, ultrasonic welding can create a seamless and smooth bond between components. Geometric tolerance of Delrin parts. The geometric tolerance for Delrin detail like any other material and can include parameters such as dimension tolerance. This specifies the low variation size for various feature for Delrin parts. Orientation tolerance. This specifies the allowable deviation for specified angle for features. It is important to know that they consider the manufacturing process as well as the intended Function of the Delrin parts. Drawbacks of Delrin. While Delrin polyoxymethylene offer many advantages, it is essential to consider potential drawbacks in specific application. Temperature sensitivity. Where Delrin has a broad temperature, it may not be suitable for a steam high temperature. Near above its melting point can result in degradation. Flammability. Delrin is combustible and may burn when exposed to an open flame. Design resistant for Delrin parts. When designing with Delrin polyoxymethylene, there are certain considerations to keep in mind. Sharp corner. Avoid sharp corner in design as they can create stress concentration. Tolerance consideration. Tight tolerance may require precision machinery. Collaborating with experience engineering mechanics are manufactured similar with Delrin can provide insights into optimizing your design. Flammability. Delrin polyoxymethylene combustible can burn when exposed to an open flame or heat source. In practical terms, HP rating indicate with the material is capable of supporting a horizontal burn without continuing to burn after the ignition source is removed. Weather resistant. Delrin, also known as polyoxymethylene, is not particle to outdoor weather conditions, to sunlight and degradation of the material property and surface characteristics. Delrin weather resistant include UV sensitivity. Delrin is to UV radiation, which can cause degradation, discoloration, and surface cracking over time. If weather resistant critical requirement for your application, weather resistance may be necessary depending on the environment condition your component will face. Biocompatibility. Delrin polyoxymethylene is generally considered to biocompatible for certain medical and healthcare application. ISO 10993. ISO 10993 is international standard for the biological evaluation for medical devices. Application and constitution. While letting be suitable for certain medical component and devices, this specific application and the duration of contact with the human body. Creep resistance. Creep resistance refers to the material stability to withstand deformation under a constant load or stress over time. Temperature sensitivity. The creep resistant Delrin decreases the temperature rise and high temperature the polymer change more point to movement. Moisturizer sensitivity can affect the crepe behavior of certain polymer, while Delrin has low water absorption and elevated temperature. Time dependency. Crepe is a time dependent phenomena, meaning that deformation occurs over time under a constant load. It is important to know that manufacturing technical data sheets and documentation for specific information on the crepe resistant of particle grades of Delrin. Electrical properties. Delrin polyoxymethylene possesses several electrical properties that make it suitable for various applications. Dielectrical constant. Delrin typically has a low dielectrical constant ranging from approximately 3.8 to 4.5 depending on the specific grade. Volume resistivity. And the Delrin is a bit high volume sensitivity, usually in the range of 10 to 15, 10 to 16 ohm per ohm centimeter. It is important to know that these values can vary based on the specific grade, processing condition, and any additive used in the formulation of Delrin. Thermal property. Delrin, also known as polyoxymethylene, is a thermoplastic polymer with a notable thermal properties. Melting point. Delrin has a relatively high melting point, typically around -175 to 179 degrees Celsius. Thermal conductivity. Delrin has a low thermal conductivity, which means it tends to insulate against heat transfer. Specific heat capacity. Delrin specific heat capacity is moderate, representing the amount of heat energy required to raise its temperature. Overall, Delrin thermal properties make it suitable for application stability, low wear thermal suspension, and good dimension stability are essential. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching.